Hello everyone, I would like to present to your attention my fragment of the video of my solution of the 11 by 11 Rubik's Cube with my feet. The video was recorded on November 24, 2022, and the video was called Solving the 11 by 11 Rubik's Cube in 3 different styles. My record has not yet been added to the list of the unofficial world records on the speedsolving.com wiki. This record will be on this list of the records table in the speedsolving.com wiki. I'm the first person on YouTube where I solve a Rubik's Cube 11 by 11 with my feet on video. I won't waste time. Let's watch.
Я все-таки собрал за час и 11 минут и 31 секунда. Я собрал, сумел собрать. Сумел собрать быстрее на видео, чем на фото. В общем, вот такая у меня сборка получилась.